First article inspection, beginner's guide. What is a first article? First article is the first item which is manufactured using the same production processes as mass production by any subcontracted factory or supplier. What is a first article inspection? Once a new or revised part is manufactured on the first production run, it is necessary to ensure that all requirements, such as the specific drawings and specifications, have been met by inspecting a random sample of the first production run. This is called first article inspection, FAI.
This is a first article inspection process flow. First article inspection is conducted after the first production run.
In first article inspection, all measured results must conform to their requirements. For example, requirement number 1 is 5.000 inches in diameter with a plus or minus tolerance of 0.01. Result number 1 is 5.005. The result has conformed to the requirement.
What is a first article inspection report? To validate that a product has been manufactured to the correct specification, first article inspection report, FAIR, consists of 3 forms: Form 1: Part Number Accountability, Form 2, Product Accountability, and Form 3, Characteristic Accountability plus 1 balloon drawing. How to write up a first article inspection report step by step. Form 1, Part Number Accountability is used to summarize the part of the article that is being first inspected, such as FAI part, and associated subassemblies or detail parts. In Form 1, Field 1 is required. Please enter the complete part number. Then Field 2 is required. Please enter the name of the part. Field 3 is conditionally required. Please enter the serial number of the part. Field 4 is conditionally required. Please enter the reference number that identifies FAIR.
Field 5 is conditionally required. Please enter the part revision level of the part. Field 6 is conditionally required. Please enter the complete drawing number of the part. Field 7 is conditionally required. Please enter the drawing revision level of the part. Field 8 is conditionally required. Please enter the reference numbers of any changes that are incorporated in the product but not reflected in reference drawing, part revision level. Field 9 is required. Please enter the manufacturing order number. Field 10 is required. Please enter the name of the organization performing this first article inspection report. Field 11 is required. Please enter the supplier code, which is the unique number provided by client to the supplier. Field 12 is required. Please enter the customer purchase order number.
Field 13 is required. Please select Detail FAI if any parts are not assembled to make the part or select Assembly FAI if several parts are required to make the part. Complete fields from 15 to 18 in case of Assembly FAI. Field 14 is required. Please check full or partial FAI as appropriate. Select partial FAI if the FAI contains only a part of the features to make the part or select full FAI if it includes all the features. If partial, complete reason for partial FAI, such as change of manufacturing location, non-conformance found in the prior full FAI, etc., and baseline part number including revision level. Field 15 is conditionally required. Please enter the detail or next level sub-assembly part number to be included in the assembly. Field 16 is conditionally required. Please enter the name of the part installed in the assembly. Field 17 is conditionally required. Please enter the serial number of the part installed in the assembly. Field 18 is conditionally required. Please enter the first article inspection report number for the item identified in Field 15. Field 19 is required. Please enter printed name and signature of the person preparing the first article inspection report. Also, please indicate by checking FAI complete or FAI not complete. Field 20 is required. Please enter date when Field 19 was completed by the person preparing the first article inspection report. Field 21 is required. Please enter printed name and signature of the person from the preparing organization who approved the first article inspection report. Field 22 is required. Please enter date when Field 21 was signed. Field 23 is required. Please enter printed name and signature of the customer to record approval. Field 24 is required. Please enter date when Field 23 was signed. Form 2, Product Accountability is used for all raw materials, specifications, processes and functional tests defined as a design requirement. Field 1 is required. Please enter same as Form 1 Field 1. Field 2 is required. Please enter same as Form 1 Field 2. Field 3 is required. Please enter same as Form 1 Field 3. Field 4 is required. Please enter same as Form 1 Field 4. Field 5 is conditionally required. Please enter the name of material or process. Field 6 is conditionally required. Please enter all material and/or process specification numbers, as listed on the engineering drawing and/or parts list and revision level. Field 7 is option. Please enter any required code from the customer for material or process listing. Field 8 is conditionally required. Please enter the name, address, and code of the supplier performing the special process listed. Field 9 is conditionally required. Please indicate if the special process or material source is approved by the customer. Or write NA, non-applicable if customer approval is not required. Field 10 is conditionally required. Please enter the report number of the Certificate of Conformance (COC) or Certificate of Analysis (COA), lab report, etc. Field 11 is conditionally required. Please enter the functional test procedure or acceptance test procedure number if applicable. Field 12 is conditionally required. Please enter the functional test or acceptance test certification number indicating that test requirements have been met. Field 13 is optional. Please add remarks or comments if necessary. Field 14 is required. Please enter printed name or unique identification, and signature of the person who prepared and approved this form. Field 15 is required. Please enter the date when this form was completed. When Field 14 was signed. Form 3. Characteristic accountability is used to summarize actual specific design characteristics such as dimensions, tolerances, drawing notes, etc., as well as actual measurement results of the first article inspection parts for every design characteristic on the drawing. Field 1 is required. Please enter same as Form 1. Field 1. Field 2 is required. Please enter same as Form 1. Field 2. Field 3 is required. Please enter same as Form 1. Field 3. Field 4 is required. Please enter same as Form 1. Field 4. Field 5 is required. Please enter a unique number for each design characteristic. These should match what are on the balloon drawing. Field 6 is required. Please enter the location of the design characteristic, for example, drawing zone, page number and section, specification, etc. Field 7 is conditionally required. If applicable, please enter the characteristic type, for example, key characteristic, flight safety, critical, major, etc. Field 8 is required. Please enter the specified requirement for the design characteristic, for example, drawing dimensional characteristics with nominal and tolerances included, drawing notes, specification requirements, GD&T features, control frames, etc. Also, units of measure (UOM) and quantity need to be recorded here. Field 9 is required. Please enter measurements obtained for the design characteristics in the measurement unit described on the drawing, inch, millimeters, etc. Field 10 is conditionally required. If a specially designed tooling, including numerical control (NC) programming, is used as a media of inspection, please enter the tool identification number and revision level. Field 11 is conditionally required. Please record a non-conformance document reference number if the characteristic is found to be non-conforming. Field 12 is required. Please enter printed name or unique identifier, and signature of the person who prepared this form. Field 13 is required. Please enter the date when this form was completed. Field 14 is optional. Please enter any additional data or comments needed. Balloon drawing, also called bubble drawing, is a necessary element of a first article inspection report package to support Form 3 and to verify every design characteristic requirement. In this drawing, each design characteristic has its own uniquely numbered balloon. This number needs to match with the characteristics numbers on Form 3 for traceability purpose. Please download the first article inspection report input guide, free and easy edition, from our web page www.guthkd.com/blog/first-article-inspection. If you like this video, please subscribe our video channel. We will produce many handy video clips for FAI, AS9102 and PPAP.